Hi everybody, Malik the Magic Guy, expertvillage.com. Now I'm going to teach you about a technique known as glimpsing. Now I'm going to show you some basic glimpses. There are some complicated high-tech sleight of hand glimpses that you can learn later on, but I'm just going to show you some basic ones. Now, glimpsing allows you to look at a card on the bottom or sometimes on the top of the deck. We're going to do a bottom glimpse. And this helps if you want to use a key card and you don't know what it is yet. So I'm going to mix this up. So I have a random card on the bottom that I don't know about yet. And one of the easiest ways is if Mr. Hand has selected a card, I'm going to have him look at his card and return it. And while he's doing that, I'm just looking here while I'm returning this here, and I know that's the Five of Hearts. That's a basic way to glimpse a card. Now there's one other one, and that is just you can do something as simple as glimpsing the cards while you're taking them out of the box. That's an easy one to do. And now you know the bottom card, and now if they take one, as long as you can remember that's the Four of Hearts, you have complete control with the key card. And those are a couple of basic ways to glimpse. In a minute I'm going to show you some ways to glimpse cards while shuffling.